To view your AllNet security cameras from your Android phone, first open up your web browser, then go to the address bar at the top, and you'll type in the web address http://mobi.allnetsystems.com ALNETSYSTEMS.com. This will open up the mobile web page for the AllNet Systems software. Scroll down until you see the Android icon and click on the link for the Android software. This will begin the download directly to your PDA phone. Exit from your web browser and back on the main screen, go to your icon notification at the top and click on the CMS Mobile package. It may tell you that it blocked the install because your phone is set not to allow installation of software not obtained from the Android market. Click on the Settings button and then click the check mark next to Unknown Sources and click OK. This will allow you to install software applications off of the web. Go back to the main screen and return to your internet browser, clicking the link one more time to download the software again. Once you have the software on the phone, you'll be able to click the link in the notification window one more time and tell it to install the software. Once it is installed, go ahead and click the Run button. This is going to open the application for the first time. Click on Connect and click on any of the 2 demo servers in the list and click New Address. This will allow us to add in your server. For name, you can click and type any name you would like. This is the name that will appear in the list that you will use for connecting to your server. For the address, you need to type in the exact address that you used when you registered the address in the AllNet server software on the server itself under Registered Domain. Make sure that it does not auto-correct your address. Otherwise, it will connect to the wrong server address and you will not be able to see your cameras. Next, enter in the port. By default, the port is 9000, unless it is changed on the server software and port forwarding. In the login and password, you need to enter in your login and password exactly as it is on the server. Watch out, because Android will try to capitalize the first letter of your password, and if it does that, it will not work unless it is capitalized on the server as well. So hit Shift to use the lowercase letters for your password and make sure it doesn't auto-correct to capitalize either. When you're done, click on Save. As long as you've gotten everything right, now we should be able to connect to your server by clicking on the server name and click Connect. Once it connects into the server, you will now be able to see your cameras and have buttons to control the operation on the screen. If we go into Settings first, you can change the frames per second and picture quality, as well as tell it whether or not to hide the buttons on the screen. Back on the main screen, we can now flip between cameras by dragging your finger to the right or to the left on the screen, or drag your finger upwards, which will take us into a multi-camera mode, so that we can see all of the cameras that are connected to the system. This will allow you to find and easily click on the camera that you want to view in full screen. You can also select your camera by clicking the Camera button. This will give you a full list of the names of the cameras, showing you the name that you typed in on the server itself. If you click on Snapshot, it will save an image of what is happening right now onto your phone. And if we click Play, then we can give it a time and date to start playback from, and it will actually start playing back from the server on your phone, so you can play back video that happened at an earlier time. You can play, rewind, pause, or set a new date, and then hit Exit to return to the main screen. For PTZ control, if you have a pan-tilt-zoom style camera, buttons will appear allowing you to move right, left, up, down, or zoom in and zoom out with the camera, giving you full control of your camera right from your Android phone. If your server has digital inputs and outputs to connect to an alarm system, you can also hit the In-Out button and trigger any of your outputs in order to actuate those outputs right from your Android phone.